to West Bengal, where in a troubling incident, a team from the National Investigation Agency faced hostility in the Bhupati Nagar area of East Midnapur district in the state. The situation escalated as the NIA officers executed the arrest of 3 individuals, only to be confronted with alleged resistance from the locals there. The NIA officers were subjected to physical assault and their vehicle was targeted with stones. The NIA, remember, has arrested 2 key conspirators in the West Bengal blast case. However, in this attack, 1 NIA officer has been injured.
সব বুথ এজেন্টকে অ্যারেস্ট করবে, সব ভোট ম্যানেজারদের অ্যারেস্ট করবে, পরে বুথে জিতবে, শূন্য গুলি ছুটছে।
देखिए, ये भूपति नगर का जो इंसिडेंट है, ये अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट है, लेकिन इसके पीछे एक शतरंज का खेल है जिसका खिलाड़ी है भारतीय जनता पार्टी। ये लोग बोल रहा है कोर्ट से ऑर्डर है। अरे क्या कोर्ट से ऑर्डर है? आप जो केस फाइल किया तृणमूल वर्कर्स को इंडिकेट करके, ब्लेम करके, वो तो बेसलेस है। आप तो पॉलिटिकली, ये जो शतरंज का जो बोर्ड है, आप तो आपका खिलाड़ी नहीं है, इसीलिए आप हमारे खिलाड़ी को दबाने के लिए एनआईए का पास उनका नाम दिए हुए है। बीजेपी का एक ब्लूप्रिंट है, वो गोलमाल चाहता है।
Almost in the midnight, without informing the local police administration, without having their permission, being associated with the media people, they went to Midnapur and they created a chaos. And the local people, they were absolutely in confusion who they were. There might be some stranger also at that late hours of night. So that's why once the police got the information, prior to that the incident already took place. It means it's not only BJP using the central agency against the opposition political parties. At the same time, they are intentionally trying to create a narrative, and that's why the central agencies, while working at the behest of Bharatiya Janata Party, they are going to the places without intimating the local administration to create a chaos, to create a narrative as if the Trinamool Congress workers are doing this, which is absolutely false.
तो सीबीआई, ईडी, एनआईए, इनकम टैक्स, ये अगर पॉलिटिकल अस्त्र की तरह व्यवहार किया जा रहा है एक राजनीतिक दल द्वारा, बीजेपी द्वारा, ये हो कैसे सकता है? एमसीसी के चलते इलेक्शन कमीशन की परमिशन है, इलेक्शन कमीशन ने भेजा है, तब तो अलग बात है, लेकिन ये तो अपने तरीके से चल रहा है।
Let me go across to my colleague Adrija, who's joining us on the phone line with more details on this incident. Adrija, unfortunate incident there, but 2 things. One, the fact that this attack on the NIA team comes after the officials from Enforcement Directorate were attacked by locals in West Bengal earlier. And 2, the Trinamool Congress really defending this incident and saying that, the locals had no choice.
Well, absolutely. You see, in this entire matter that has unfolded, where the NIA officials were attacked in the early morning, what the PNC is coming up and saying that, this entire matter unfolded and it would have been avoided if the local administration along with the police would have been informed in this entire matter. And at the same time, Mamata Banerjee also coming out and mentioning this and saying that look at the timing is very crucial, in this certain point in time ahead of the elections, the NIA officials are going there to arrest people or summoning people. And at the same time, Mamata Banerjee mentions that if this continues, if BJP thinks that such dirty politics can be played in the media by using the central agencies, then, they are wrong, and TMC will be condemning this whole matter and at the same time raising their voices. But at the same time, it is an unfortunate incident that the NIA officials were attacked just 2 months after the ED officials were similarly attacked when they went to raid Shah Jahan Sheikh's residence in North 24 Parganas.
Yes, Adrija, thank you very much for joining us with those details and helping us understand this political war of words that has followed after an NIA team was allegedly attacked by locals in West Bengal's East Midnapur.